Hello Snapchat fam. Ever sent a snap and thought, wait, that disappeared too fast, or maybe they don't need to see this forever? Well, good news. Today, I'm gonna show you how to change the view time on Snapchat snaps so your friend can see them longer or shorter. Let's get into it. When you are already on Snapchat, take a snap like you normally would, whether it's a selfie or a pic of your dog. This works the same way. Once you have snapped your pic, look on the right side of the screen. You will see a little stopwatch timer icon. Tap on it. This is where you can adjust the view time. Now you will see different options for how long your snap can be viewed. 1 second, up to 10 seconds, or infinity. Choose the one that fits your vibe and hit done. Easy, right? Snapchat allow your friends to replay your snap again and again with same viewing time. And just like that, you are a Snapchat time pro. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notification for more Snapchat tricks.